Nestled between the Sea of Japan and the volcanic Asahi mountain range lies the city of Yamagata, where the art of manufacturing and monozukuri flourish. It is in this environment that Topcon, a comprehensive ophthalmic device manufacturer, chose to build their world-class manufacturing center, where 95% of the company's innovative technology is produced. Topcon's craftsmen, whose art form is manufacturing, apply strict attention to detail and quality control throughout each phase of production, using state-of-the-art precision components and assembly processes. Topcon's Maestro OCT is the perfect embodiment of this high art. From expertly engineered multimodality diagnostic instruments to vendor-neutral cloud-based patient data management systems, Topcon's teams focus on creating the best eye care solutions in the industry to help support patient outcomes and improve quality of life.
Overseas guests always say Japanese are really proud of their craftsmanship. I believe this never compromising spirit also lead to innovation.
An innovator since 1932, Topcon has charted its own path to success. The same patented 3D measuring technologies employed by Topcon's industry-leading infrastructure business is utilized in its healthcare products. The Maestro's auto-alignment system is a perfect example of Topcon's precision 3D technology applied across development platforms. But the real secret ingredient to our success is our people and the pride they take in their work.
トップコン山形が特別なのは人です。誠実で勤勉な人たちが自分たちの気持ちを込めて作り上げた製品が世の中に出すことができることです。
Finely tuned craftsmanship relies on precision and technique to create products of the highest quality. The metallic flames are carefully monitored and tuned to optimum micrometer thickness to create ideal optical performance. Machine testing is overseen and directed by expert technicians who play a key role in perfecting Topcon's products. Topcon's 200-micron optical fiber, one of the core components of an OCT, is carefully placed and subtly tuned for maximum sensitivity. During each stage of manufacture, meticulous care is taken to keep the requisite or necessary balance between the camera lens, mechanical elements, and laser signals in order to perfect the tissue response within the deep layers of the retina. This is the soul of our company, the Japanese craftsmen and technical experts whose enthusiasm ensures the highest quality in everything we produce to support patient outcomes and improve quality of life.
それに向けて山形チーム一丸となって品質改善に向けてたゆまぬ努力を惜しまないことは我々にとってのミッションだと考えております。
最高の仲間たちと素晴らしい製品を世界に送り出すことができるからです。
ようこそトップコン山形へ。
Of all our senses, sight is the most precious. Because of this, we at Topcon never allow compromise in the manufacturing process. We are proud to deliver to you the highest quality eye care products available from our world-class Yamagata Manufacturing Center. We welcome you to visit us at Topcon Yamagata. See for yourself how world-class eye care products are created.